for a majority of people, the recovery time is at home for the first couple of weeks with home health. A nurse will come out, a therapist will come out and work with you, and then back in the office, and then transition to outpatient therapy for usually another a month or two. There's a lot of variation in kind of how people recover. Some people within a couple of weeks are really just doing great. Presumably, I'm kind of having to hold them back almost even from pushing too hard. There are people that do take 2 to 3 months before they're really kind of back to normal activities. But again, compared to 10 years ago even, the recoveries are much simpler, they're much smoother. There's definitely a lot of reason to think that well before kind of that 2 to 3 month canned answer of recovery time, you're going to be up and doing well and kind of getting back to a lot of your daily life.